Uh, Hello everybody. I'm Anand from Tamil Nadu. So I'm on the working as on the static inspector in abroad. So actually regarding this DHT, so I would like to convey some of the details. I would like to discuss. Would like to convey some of the message regarding this thing. So actually initially I was on the wearing on the hair system, which I used to remove for every 15 days or so. So actually this was it's really on the tedious on the job, because every 15 days and I have to remove the system, I have to wash it, wear it again, I have to wear it. So I was on the looking out for some on the permanent on the solution. So I gone through the Google search. So in that one, I got on the two major on the players. So initially I visited. So after collecting on all these on the details on the regarding no touch and the technique. So even one of my friend has done this FUE method. So wherein he was having some permanent and the scars and all those small the boils and he was having. Even till now he was having, and he has taken his surgery in Bangalore, maybe in the year around 2010. So actually I visited him in 2012, and I got consulted, and I got some feedback on this and the technique. So since it was having some scars and boils, those types of things, so I felt that I should not undertake this FUE method. So instead I thought okay, well, then we can go for this no touch and the technique. So wherein I got the information from the internet, what are all the advantages, what are all the disadvantages. So I visited Dr. Pradeep Sethi in Gurgaon hospital. So he gave me a very good presentation, and he told me about what are the advantages that you will find in DHT when compared. Okay, so finally I have decided on that day itself that I have to take up this treatment. So I came to, then I went back again to abroad, worked there for around 20 days, and I came on the vacation. So I reached in Delhi, from Delhi to Dehradun, and here all peoples involved in my treatment, they are very much kind, they are cooperative, their courtesy is excellent. So I cannot explain it in the words. So it was a very good thing for me. I enjoyed a lot here. Even during my surgery also, these all peoples, they are very much cooperative. They are very much kind, and they are very much. I can't able to explain those things. They are very much kind. So even during the surgery, I was having a little bit of the pain only. So I personally recommend that if you are on the verge of getting on the baldness, and if you are on the bald, then the best of the solution is to take this DHT no touch and the technique only. There is no other on the option, and that's it. Thank you.